Mabuhay and welcome to another unboxing video. And for the purpose of this video, I'll be removing my mask again since the video team is all the way over there, complying with strict social distancing. And this is the 2020 Jeep Renegade, and let's see what it's all about. Let's start with the front, and as you can see, it's got the patented Jeep front fascia, which harks back to the Jeeps of yesteryear. Over here at the side, you've got turn light indicators, that big Renegade badge, and 17-inch alloy wheels. Over at the back, you've got this shark's fin antenna for your radio, you've got a spoiler with a third brake light, and those very interesting rear taillights with like an X pattern in them. And that's the exterior done. Let's check out and see what's inside the Renegade. The ruggedness of the exterior carries over into the interior. You've got this almost all black color palette, only broken up by some chrome accented pieces. But other than that, it's a nice place to be. You're not really wanting for anything. Even though it's supposed to be rugged, it's got soft touch materials here. You've got a leather steering wheel and shift knob. You've got standard controls. You've got a screen. You've got all the things you need for creature comforts. But the nice thing about the Renegade is it's got some nice design details, which we'll show you later on, that have, you know, put some character and uniqueness into the interior. You've got Jeep badges all over, things that, you know, make it feel like you're driving something for the outdoors. On face value alone, the Jeep Renegade's got a lot going for it. It's very quirky in terms of the exterior and interior. It's got a lot of hidden details, or Easter eggs if you will, that would keep any driver or owner interested. Like for example, above the rear windshield wiper, you've got a Sasquatch. I don't know why, but it's pretty cool, right? And if you want to know how it drives, stay tuned to our AutoIndustriya YouTube channel, because Anton Andres will be taking this for a full video review very soon. That's it for me. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This has been Pablo Salapantan of AutoIndustriya. Paalam!